Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by turning on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both iPhones. AirDrop uses both, not plain Bluetooth file transfer. Once done, open the specific file, a photo, PDF, or web page, and tap the share icon to bring up the share sheet. Before you select a recipient, make sure AirDrop receiving is set to contacts only or everyone from Control Center. This controls visibility and prevents failed transfers. Do this now so the sender sees available nearby devices immediately. With the share sheet open, tap the AirDrop section and choose the listed device that matches the recipient's name or avatar. If you don't see them, politely ask them to switch their AirDrop to everyone for the moment. Sometimes contacts only fails due to photo or contact mismatches. After selecting the device, watch for the receiving iPhone to display an accept or decline prompt. Keep both screens awake and unlocked until the transfer completes to avoid interruptions. After the recipient taps accept, the file appears in the appropriate app, Photos for Images, Files for Documents. If it does not, first toggle AirDrop and Bluetooth off and make sure Personal Hotspot is off. Hotspots can block AirDrop. Restarting both iPhones fixes most stubborn issues. As a final alternative, upload the file to iCloud Drive or share an iCloud link or send via messages if AirDrop remains unavailable. This preserves the file and completes the sharing when direct AirDrop won't work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.